Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, H pattern, H pattern moving average bounce, H pattern, H pattern moving average bounce, H pattern double slingshot.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and we're going to see what the next bar produces. If we can't break the high of the day, we're going to punch out with roughly around $1 a gain.
Order fill.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. Didn't break the high of the day, and we only spent about 5 minutes in this trade. Till next time, ladies and gentlemen, never forget, be a pro.
Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, 2024, and we're going back up with QQQ. H pattern, wide state, H pattern, H pattern, wide state, H pattern, V pattern, wide state, area of support, oscillator agreement. At this point, we have already moved $1 since we entered this trade. So what we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, or we're going to see if we can get to that $2 marker. We might get caught up on the 493 and a quarter, 493.50ish area, as well as we have a hard time of quitting at 11 o'clock. So if we get close to 11 o'clock and the market is not producing what we want, we're just going to pull profits. We have a very important meeting we have to take, so we can't afford to be late for that one. So that's what we're seeing. We're locking half of our gains so far, and we're going to play this moving forward, and this is going to be more of a time constraint trade. All right, I think we're going to take profits right now. We're fighting to get over that 493.50 area, so we're going to actually pull profits, especially since we're getting to our time limit. Right?
Order fill.
And there's a $1.80 move on this setup, ladies and gentlemen. So our first trade was $1. This one's $1.80. So we're up to 80 on 2 trades for the day. As always, never forget, be a pro.